How to buy CapCut Pro. CapCut Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy CapCut Pro, step by step. Whether you're using iPhone, Android, or a PC, this guide will help you get started quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your CapCut account. If you don't have one, go ahead and sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Tap Pro or CapCut Pro option. This will take you to the subscription page where you can see all the premium features included with CapCut Pro. Now, you'll see different pricing options, usually a monthly, yearly, and sometimes a free trial option. Choose the one that fits your needs best. Tap the subscribe button. Your phone will now ask you to confirm the payment using your App Store, either Google Play or Apple App Store, depending on your device. Once the payment is confirmed, CapCut Pro will be activated instantly on your account. You'll now have access to exclusive features like premium effects, advanced text tools, no watermark, and more. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to CapCut Pro. Now you can enjoy powerful editing features to take your videos to the next level. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Mastery for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.